welcome back to my channel. I just realized, well, not just realized, recently I realized I have a slight lazy eye, or my eyes are two different sizes. Like, and the lashes are only emphasizing that, but that's not why you're here. I'm Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this cute 70s ponytail style, big fluffy Afro puffy, make you want to shake your hair ponytail out of the Afro Springy twist hair that I use for my supernatural twist. This is the same hair that I use for the twist. I took the hair out and I saved it because I knew I wanted to do either redo a crochet style, nice like afro, or some sort of ponytail style. So here we are. So this video has some trial and error in it. I probably won't include too much of that because it was a hot mess. But we're here now and I'm very happy with the results. If you're interested in seeing how I created this style, then keep watching. So first we're going to start off by making the ponytail. So this is the same hair I had in my hair for those twists. I took it out and I saved it just for this video because I knew I either wanted to reuse it for crochet or a ponytail. So I'm just taking it and looping it around the scrunchie. I'm using a doorknob. You can see what I'm doing here, pretty simple. And I made 2 scrunchies. I could have used a bigger scrunchie and just used one, but I wanted to do like a double ponytail look, so it was like kind of long, but that didn't work out. So you can either do one on a big scrunchie or like a headband, or you can do 2 on normal size scrunchies like I did here. Hairstyle, I'm starting with my hair after I took out those faux locks. If you saw my Instagram reel, then I had faux locks in, but I didn't really like how they looked with the braid pattern that I did, so I took them out right after that reel. But I don't want to waste my like blow dried stretched hair, so I'm gonna do a ponytail style that I've been wanting to do for a while. We may be able to work this into something, but we're not. So I'm gonna start with so I tried to do a double ponytail style, which in my head was so cute, but as you can see, it wasn't. And this is also not cute. So we're just gonna do a simple low ponytail, because can you really mess that up? Is that even possible? I don't think so. So I'm just gonna take this out and start over. And That's life. Sometimes you have a vision for something and it just don't work out like you thought it would. And that is okay. So there are plenty of low ponytail videos. I'm not gonna be doing anything special. I'm also not gonna be doing all them layers like people that are doing. I may regret that, but I don't think so. Let's start with the smaller side to boost my confidence. This already has a little gel on it, so I'm just gonna spray that a little bit and use my dimming brush to smooth that. And then add that to the ponytail. And you see, the braid just stay there. If you can't tell, I'm over it because I really thought that other style was gonna work. Like, high ponies look real good on me, and that just did not. Be the last section that want to throw stuff off. See, maybe I just need to rewash my hair. Maybe that's what God is telling me. Let's try this again. I probably should tie this down, but I really just want to see if this is going to work before I prolong this anymore. So we got our ponytail pieces. Just gonna wrap one around on each side and see what we come up with. See? We should have did that to begin with. You know. Boom. And we're done. Okay. So thanks for watching my struggle. In this video. Like, just because one style doesn't work out doesn't mean you give up, you know. You just, you know, go back to the drawing board, sit there, think for a second, put your glasses on if you wear glasses, and, you know, figure it out. Yes. Okay, it's really this right here. Yes, this side is doing everything. This side, maybe it's like my neck, how, I don't know, but this right here, That's cute. That's real cute. But yes, so thanks again for watching. If you've made it this far, make sure you subscribe. You know, we're working on the consistency thing. That's life. All you can do is try. We're just aiming for progression. So yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know down in the video, have you ever reused any of your protective style hair or reused hair for multiple styles? You know, I like to get my money's worth of everything. We're gonna ride things till the wheels fall off. That's just how I operate. There's no point of spending unnecessary money, okay? That's just how I think. So yes, anywho, I done said bye 11 times now, but yes, bye. Thanks for watching. Slick. Slick, slick. Ooh, I don't know why I keep sitting on the floor. Like, I be cricking when I get up. Like, ooh. Ooh. Okay.